Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel Itoje, and in today's video I'll be walking us through how to download and install the Microsoft project. So what are the things we'll be looking in today's video? The outline. So talk about what is Microsoft project. We'll talk about the various options available if you want to actually download the Microsoft project locally, like having the client application. Then we'll go into a demo and we'll do a quick summary of what's been discussed so far. So what is Microsoft project? So Microsoft project is a project management software product that was developed and sold by Microsoft. It is designed to assist a project manager in developing a schedule, assigning resources to tasks, tracking progress, managing the budget, and analyzing workloads. So what are the various options available to various subscription options available for you to be able to download and install the project? The first one is actually subscription based. We're going to jump into the browser to see this. Then the second one is actually a one-time purchase. So let's jump into a demo. Alright, so I'm here on this Microsoft website. You don't have to worry about it. I'm going to add it to the description of this video. So the website for project management, actually, if you click on this, it will actually take us to a page where we can actually see the plans and pricing. Before we go into that, I just want to show us that basically the Microsoft project, you can choose from a variety of tools and approaches that best suits your preference. You can also create a centralized view of all your programs and projects across your organization in a visual and interactive roadmap. Then you can also simplify planning and reduce training time with the help of familiar scheduling features for project manager, like a timeline view using the Gantt chart. Then also you can use the Microsoft Power BI to create and share rich interactive dashboard that visualizes all aspects of your project. Then you can also start quickly by choosing from a variety of built-in customizable templates that use industry best practices. There's no need to create a new project management plans. It's there for you by default to use. Then you can also customize your project management needs in a way that best suits your organizations and help shorten your time to the market. So if you click on that link, you will see different subscriptions options that is actually available. So we have the cloud-based options. So for the cloud-based options, the project plan 1, the project plan 3, and the project plan 5. Now the project plan 1 is actually $10 per user per month. With this plan, you only have access to manage projects via the web browsers, just like in the case of our Visio plan 1 as well. So you only have access for the web. So with this plan, you will not be able to actually download and install the projects on your device. But with project plan 3 and project plan 5, you have the option to actually download and install the project. So for every user in the organization that will be using the project applications, they'll be charged $30 per user per month. And note that for any of the Microsoft install applications for subscription base, you can actually use it on up to 5 systems. So that means that with the same credentials, you can use it to sign into 5 systems and they will actually be activated. So the difference between these two majorly is that this you can actually try yourself. For the project plan 5, you need to contact a Microsoft partner to actually help you to activate it. So the other option, which is a one-time purchase, we have the project standard 2021, which actually costs $679.99 per user. So that's actually quite expensive. Then talking about the project professional 2021 and the project server, so the one we'll be installing for our demo is actually project professional 2019. So how do we install it? Let's open a new tab. You type in setup.office.com. So basically the difference between the subscription plan and the one-time plan is that the subscription plans, the cloud-based subscriptions plan, they are actually tied to your Office 365 account, which is actually either your work or school account. But the one-time purchase is usually tied to your Microsoft account, which is actually your personal account. So because I'm already signed in here with my account, so I could actually change it if I don't want this subscription or this the license, the prepaid license key to be attached to the subscription. I can actually click on change account, but ideally, because I was already signed into this browser, that's why it's actually signed me in automatically. If I click on use another account, or let me use an in private window. So ideally, you're supposed to actually sign in when you click on that link. Alright, so the next step after signing in is going to actually pick so after signing in, the next step is to actually enter the product key that we've purchased, so either through from the Microsoft Store or you purchase it from a retailer, a reseller partner. So I'm going to paste the product key. So after placing the product key, the next thing is going to verify if this key has been used before or if this key is actually eligible to use to download the Office application. So if it is confirmed, it's going to take me to the next where I can have the opportunity to select my region. So it's already picked my region by default. I'm from Nigeria, so click on next. So after clicking on next, it's going to actually take us to a page to actually confirm. So we click on confirm. So you can see the product key was for Office Projects Professional 2019. So this is basically going to take us to the Microsoft account. So this is actually my personal account. So it tells me that before now I've installed Office 2021 on 2 different devices. Then for projects, I had one here before, so this is the one I just activated. This was the one I downloaded in a different system, so this is the one I just activated today. So I'll just click on the install option for that. So it will give me this option to choose my language, so I can select any language I want other than English. It gives me the option of which version, so it gives me the default version. So this is actually the version that is attached to the product key, so I'm going to leave it as a default. Then I'll click on install. So it's going to download a file for me, an executable file. It's going to download it for me. Then I'll click on that file to install. So it's going to ask me, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your computer? I'm going to say next, yes. So after saying yes, it's going to automatically try to download. So once it starts, you're going to see, so it's going to it's connected to the Microsoft server where the application is hosted, so it's going to download from there for us. So it's going to come up any moment from now. Let's give it some time. Alright, so to tell you to stay online while Microsoft 365 and Office download. So this will take a while. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video and wait for the application to be downloaded and installed. Once it's installed, I'll come back, I'll continue the session. Alright, so you'll get to a page once it has downloaded and installed, a page that says you're all set. The Microsoft 365 and Office app is installed on your computer. So you can just click on close. Then navigate to your search bar and type the name of the application, project. Just type project and you see the project applications, and you can then go ahead to launch the project application. So you get this privacy matter, just click on close, and you have your project applications. So if you want to open a new applications from templates or anything, so they are all available for you. So thank you very much. So a quick summary of what we did. So in order to actually download and install the project application, first of all navigate to setup.office.com. Then from there sign in with your account, then put in the product key, then wait for the system to confirm if the product key is actually a genuine key. Then to give you an option after confirmation to confirm, then you download the installer, then run the installer, and the applications will be downloaded and installed for you. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.